Hi everybody, my name is Stephen Hampton. My class ID is S Hampton 2. Apparently there's already one S Hampton, so I had to add the 2 on the end. To the other S Hampton out there, hi, how you doing? But anyway, the topic I'm going to be covering is how to recognize notes on the treble clef and the bass clef. And then at the end, I'm going to show you how both of those clefs together, the bass clef and the treble clef, relate together and are joined together by the theoretical note of middle C. And I will give you a picture to look at in showing you how those two clefs, the treble clef and the bass clef, and their notes relate to the piano. So first, what we have here are the notes on the bass clef. G, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A. Now we have 9 notes here. Now I find it easier, instead of trying to memorize all 9 notes individually, I try to separate them into 3 different sections. I first start with G, A, B, Gab, and then C, D, and then just remember E, F, G, A. Now in the class we went over trying to make up sayings to try to memorize the order of these notes. I had trouble trying to make up sayings for these notes here, but with a little studying, all I did was just remember Gab, C, D, E, F, G, A, and I just kept repeating that until it stuck into my memory. And next we have the treble clef. The treble clef is one that I found to be a lot easier to memorize. It was very simple to me. We have here E, F, G, and then A, B, C, D, E, F. Now this was really easy for me to remember because if you sing probably the most popular song in the world that everybody knows, the alphabet song, A, B, C, D, E, F, that's how it starts. And notice that is the exact order we have right here, A, B, C, D, E, F. So in order to memorize the notes on the treble clef, all I had to do was just remember these 3 simple notes. Just remember that it begins with E, F, G, and then just sing the alphabet song down to F. And that helped me memorize all of my notes there on the treble clef. And now I will show you how both clefs, the treble clef and the bass clef, tie together to relate to the piano, and how are they all tied in with the theoretical note of middle C. We have here on the bottom the bass clef, how it relates on the piano, that those are the notes that you play in relation to your left hand. And the treble clef here on top, those are the notes that you would play on the piano in relation to your right hand. And notice in the middle, between my bad, excuse me guys, I was doing this on my cell phone. Hopefully I get points for creativity for that. But notice here, by the bass clef here at the bottom, the notes we play with our left hand on the keyboard, and the treble clef on top by the notes we play with our right hand here on the keyboard. They are both joined together. Both clefs are joined. Both staffs are joined together. The bass clef and the treble clef are joined by this note here in relation to the keyboard, as we see, that we call middle C. This simple information, along with plenty of studying to get it in your long-term memory, and you'll be sure to have it all down in no time. Thank you. Have a good day.